blow them out?
Happy birthday to Peter.
Oh. Can you blow those out?
Can you blow
You
your
have to
candles?
push it up. Dad, it's hot.
Yeah.
Can you blow them out?
No. Hot.
Ooh.
Blow. Yeah. Can you get the other one? Yeah.
Can I lick it? Are you videotaping, Mom? No, that's Dad does. Do you want a bite?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Help you.
I got it, Mom.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. Is it
Is
good?
it
It's the candies. There's chocolate in there too.
Ka.
Ka. Yeah, ka.